Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Baker's Heaven. I own an online cake accessories shop, and using this platform, I will be showing you how to use the tools that are available at my shop. Today I'm going to show you how to use an oven thermometer and a kitchen timer. What is the biggest problem we face these days? We get burnt food and cakes, or the food is just not cooking. It is a common problem with ovens that they are not calibrated properly, and that is why we have these problems. We also have an issue with time, that we put something in the oven and get busy and forget about it. So here's the solution, a kitchen timer. So let's dive in. This is the oven thermometer. The readings are in Fahrenheit and degrees Celsius. These are the different designs for the kitchen timers. They go from 0 minutes to 55 minutes. So these days, oven readings are not detailed. If you want to do a 5 minutes, you want to add an extra 5 minutes, or you want to set a time of 35 minutes, there are no indications. So you would have to probably guess that that would be 35 minutes. And also same with the degrees. If you want to set a 135 degrees or 200 degrees, you will have to guess again and probably have a cooked or overcooked or undercooked cake. So that's why these two are a must-haves. So let's pop in the thermometer. You can either hang it on the rack or you can place it on the rack, but make sure it is on the same level as you will be putting your cake in. So let's wait and see. So the temperature has reached 150, but the funny part is I had set it on 180 degrees and the temperature is showing only 150 degrees. So that is why we need an oven thermometer. Now your oven is ready, so set your time as per your requirement and happy baking! If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and to be the first to know about my new videos, make sure to click on the bell icon. If you have any tools you would like me to show, let me know in the comment section.